Thanks very much for joining me today for another unboxing. Today we're doing an unboxing of an XP pen. It's like a stylus tablet, pen tablet. It's designed pretty much that you can draw on it and give presentations on your screen, everything else, so people can actually see what you're writing and it writes on it. So anyways, this is the way it arrived. Their wonderful packaging of, hey, let's just stick a shipping sticker on it and call it a day and ship it out. Thankfully, it arrived in one piece. So here's the XP pen, Deco Fun XP pen tablet, as they call it. We're gonna do an unboxing, and later on we'll do a review. But I will put a link in the description if you want to follow up on this particular product. So we're gonna do a quick little opening here. Surprised they didn't put any padding or whatever, but no, they just decided, hey, let's just put a shipping label on it and ship it out. That's what they decided to do. All right, now let's see what we get inside. Ooh. Well, it's a good thing the shipping isn't what it is, but at least they put tape to seal the box to keep it secure. All right. And you gotta love my makeshift white box I have here. Or white or light, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So here is, I'm going to presume, the tablet. I'm going to get some details. Wow, they really want to seal this up to make sure stuff don't fall out of it. I don't know. I got the blue version. Wow, it's pretty secure in there. Got the blue version. It's a nice change rather than just everything black. All right. So here's the tablet. Boom, boom, boom. All right, I'll get back to that in a second. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like you have what you would expect. Stylus, power, charging, some sort of ring. One ring to rule them all. Sorry about shuffling the camera. Working tight confine today. I need a new studio is what I need. Okay. So here's the ring. Not sure what it's for, but we'll figure that out. Charging cable looks like some sort of secure little things. Not sure exactly what these are for. So we'll figure that out. And then quick start guide and warranty policy. All right, let's make ourselves a little stand here. XP pen. Okay, so here is the stylus or tablet. I'm not sure what you want to call it. You got your books. You have your power. You have a ring. One ring to rule them all. I'm not sure what that's for. We'll figure that out. And of course, these little standoffs. And then, of course, your stylus pen. I know people are yelling at the screen. It's for that. It's for that. Okay. Excellent. Good. Beautiful. Let's look at the quick guide. Get a rough idea what we're dealing with here. Of course, it's all going to be in like Chinese or something along those lines. They do come in different languages. All right. So, look at the back end of this. So obviously where your power goes. I'll have to look up that. And you have the stylus, which is quite nice. Protected and whatnot. Excellent. I think it's a good little investment. I got it for instructional videos. Figure it would be helpful. I'm just going to toss everything all over the place. Bring it back for you here. And the pen, of course, wants to roll. Stay. It's got 1,000,001 different languages. I'm not finding English. Not finding English at all. French, Spanish, a whole bunch of other languages. Yeah, not okay. English. They say 1 and 2 is English. Nib extractor. That's what the ring is for. It's a nib extractor. Number 3 is a lanyard hole. Oh, okay. So you can wear it around your neck. Anyways, you guys have fun with this. This is pretty much our descriptions as to what they say it is. Good luck with that. Anyways, so that's what that's all about. There's your English instructions. Have fun. It looks pretty good. It's solid state. It doesn't look cheaply made. I think it's a good purchase. That is our XP pen tablet, stylus, whatever you want to call it, touchpad. But that is it. And I'll do a review later on down the road once I have a chance to plug it in and go from there. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If so, like, subscribe, share, etc. And I'll see you next video. Bye for now.